Ekapada, urdhva paschimottanasana. Bend the right knee, hold your right foot with your both hands. With inhale, lift it all the way up, maintain the back straight. And then exhale, bend the elbow out to the side and fold all the way forward. Just have your forehead on your shin bone. Maintain your back straight. Maintain your right leg very straight. Stretch your back off the leg, your hamstring, your back off the knee, your calf muscles, and just flex your right foot. Breathe in and breathe out. With exhale, release the top leg down. Release the hand, gently release the right leg forward. Shake your legs, shake your thighs. Just relax.